Okay guys, welcome to Kansanto Springs in Badian. It's seawater, it's an overflow. I turn the camera around and say hello to the staff. My buntag, my buntag,
Hello,
my
sir.
buntag.
Mayang buntag.
Well,
Welcome to our
welcome to
Kansanto
Kansanto Springs. Okay, thank you. It's already started. Okay, I just walk and look.
Yeah.
A picture na tayo. A picture mo.
Okay lang,
Video.
video today.
Video.
Thank you.
Fish and rice. Want me to film you?
What? Yeah.
Okay guys, here is the fish and I shall try to focus right in. If you just, let's see if we can do that. Yeah, it's good. Hasta la vista, baby. And let's see, in this pool there are more fish. Wow, wowee. Okay guys, we're walking towards the shower rooms. So if you take a dip into the salt water, obviously you need to clean yourself. Okay guys, walking towards the other seawater pools and see if we can see more fish. More fish here. Let's see if we can zoom in. And people are enjoying the water. It's such a sunny day and it's nice to be in the water with the fish.